You want to talk plants?
Mid-April, here at Springfield Missouri Botanical Gardens, together with flowering dogwood, Cornus florida, plant family Cornaceae or Cornaceae, cousins, other members of the genus Cornus, Cornus cusa in Eastern Asia, and Cornus mus in Europe and Southwest Asia. Flowering dogwood, Cornus florida, it's an eastern North American species extending from southern coastal Maine to northern Florida and south to Mexico. And it is now cultivated throughout temperate climate. The genus name Cornus might come from Greek for keras, for horn, referring to its tough wood. But it might also refer to the Greek word kerasos or cerasos for cherry, considering that the common name for its European cousin, Cornus mus, it's cornelian cherry. The common name dogwood might be of a more unclear origin. It might refer to the word dag, meaning skewers, and its wood could have been used for butcher skewers. Or it might refer to its fruits as dog cherries, as not as delicious as real cherries. Or maybe because it was used to treat dogs of a skin disease caused by microscopic parasitic mites. Flowering dogwood, it's a relatively small tree reaching about 10 meters tall, sometimes taller in the south. Leaves are simple, opposite, broadly ovate, with very fine tooth margins, turning brown-red in fall. About 20 or so greenish-yellow small flowers are clustered together in an umbel-shaped inflorescence, surrounded by 4 white, pink, or red large bracts reaching about 3 centimeters long, often with a characteristic apical notch. These gorgeous blooms are an April and May delight, and such flowering dogwoods, it's the state tree of Missouri and Virginia, as well as the state flower of North Carolina and Virginia. Yes, the state of Virginia declared their state flower and state tree Cornus florida, flowering dogwood. Late summer and early fall, flowering dogwood produces bright red fruits, which are an important food source for numerous bird species. The leaves of flowering dogwood are also an important food source for numerous species of moths. And moths are very important plant pollinators. Even though not poisonous, the fruits of flowering dogwood are not tasty and not consumed by humans. Flowering dogwood, Cornus florida, it's now widely cultivated throughout temperate climates. And it's relatively easy to propagate from seeds that were previously called stratified, or even from cuttings. And if you don't already have a flowering dogwood and you live in its native range, you might consider this particular tree next time you're planning to plant a tree. Until then, visit the Botanical Gardens, including here at Nathaniel Green Close Memorial Park in Springfield, Missouri.